below, that's what makes it a top weight loss food. The heart-healthy monounsaturated fat content increases satiety. It is the ultimate summer party food. Poached eggs with green tea. The meal enriches you with protein and vitamins. Green tea helps you in a great number of ways, from eliminating your health risk factors to improving your performance at various levels. This recipe is made without using a single drop of oil. To prepare, take 2 pans, add water to both of them and add a pinch of salt to them. In one pan, break 2 eggs directly in the boiling water. Add peas, carrot and beans in another pan. By watch, both the item will be ready in 2 minutes. With the help of a strainer, take them out and season them with black pepper and salt. Nuts. Nuts provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein and heart-healthy fats, making them a worthy addition to any breakfast. Several researches have now shown that the Mediterranean diet can cause weight loss and help prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes and premature death. Chilla. Chilla helps to reduce cholesterol, improve the health of the heart, as well as enriches you with iron. The magnesium content helps to regulate blood pressure. To make it more healthy, always add some stuffing to it when preparing. You can add paneer, vegetable, as per your taste, and even cheese is a good option if you are looking to have more proteins. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the link below to subscribe.